Hello angels and welcome back to my channel. It's Ray Natural. I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. This video series I'm starting today is about Chebe powder and it's for my Chebe powder angels. I'm trying out the Chebe powder tea finally and Chebe powder oil. So if you want to learn more about those two things that I'm using in this application series, keep watching. Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. Okay, angels, so let's get into this content. I'm going to show myself pretty much preparing the Chebe powder, tea, and oil just to show how easy it is. This video won't get into too much details on what I do during this application process. This is just purely an introduction to this series. Yes, I'm going to be using the same Chebe powder that I've used in the past. Okay, so if you haven't checked out the videos on this Chebe powder, go ahead and look through those. Go ahead and binge all this Chebe content I'm giving y'all. Okay, because we get into some serious hair growth here on this channel. But I'm just fermenting basically the Chebe powder and water and oil to basically infuse it and use it in my hair throughout the process. I don't know if anybody mixes their oils and waters, but I keep them separately. I keep my tea in a spray bottle as a spritzer, and I just apply my oil with the oil droplet. And I do so on like thick braids, thick dookie braids in my hair. I'm just gonna be honest. And it is good because I'm able just to apply a wig on top of this. I know in previous videos, you angels wanted to know how I was able to wear wigs with my Chebe powder. This is a little different and more convenient than the Chebe powder in that sense that you can do cornrows to the back. The loose Chebe powder, you cannot do that. So that's already a plus. Okay, in the series, I'm going to be showing y'all how much my hair grew, basically how well it kept my hair moisturized, because that was a huge thing for Chebe powder. It kept my hair very moisturized and definitely helped me retain length. It wasn't really for growing my hair quicker than what I think it already grew, but it helped me retain length. So this series is going to get into that. I'm sorry, y'all hear my daughter in the background. I've told her to be quiet and she's now shushing me to be quiet. So there's that. But yeah, this series is also going to get into how I'm styling my hair in between wigs and after, just not using wigs at all with this tea/oil. I know a lot of you angels will appreciate that because not everybody wear wigs. I understand that. I just conveniently throw on my wigs. But with this new application I'm doing, you don't have to wear wigs. So I'll be getting into some natural hairstyles. I don't really style my hair much, but I'm going out of my comfort zone for this series, so definitely look out for that. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching and keeping up with my content. As always, I pray you all continue to live in and walk in your blessed life. Be blessed.